Hey everybody, we got some new product in today. Today is the release day for 2017 Topps Gold Label Baseball. This is a 7-pack box, 1 hit per box. It's going to be a framed autograph card. So we're going to open this now. Let's get ripping. I think it's in this one, so I'm going to leave that for the end here. Start off with a Cal Ripken. That is a Class 1, it looks like, not numbered. Got a Class 2 George Brett. Class 2 Nolan Arenado. Got a black Class 2. This is Clayton Kershaw. It's got a black theme to it, but it is not numbered. And a Ken Griffey Jr. Looks like a base card. That's a Class 1 as well. Next pack. Noah Syndergaard. Class 1. Hank Aaron, Class 2. Class 3 of Justin Verlander. Again, not numbered. Got the black Class 1 of Chipper Jones. And a Class 1 of Paul Goldschmidt. Okay, next we got Troy Tulowitzki, Class 1. Javier Baez, Class 1. Felix Hernandez, Class 3, it looks like. Greg Maddux, Class 1. And Josh Donaldson. Next pack, Jose Bautista, Andrew McCutchen, Carlos Correa, Mookie Betts, and Chris Sale. Got Giancarlo Stanton. I don't see any numbering and I can't tell what class that one is. Chris Bryant, Robinson Cano, Adrian Gonzalez, Yoenis Cespedes. Okay, we got a rookie, Mitch Haniger, Max Scherzer, Frank Thomas. This one's numbered to, it's a blue, numbered to 150. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. 150. Nolan Arenado, and Justin Verlander. Okay, now for the hit. Oh, it's a good one. I like this. I don't know if any of you saw that, but I'm gonna try and reveal it here if I can. Actually, it might be just a base card on top, so it's not an actual Johnson autograph. So, all right, so we got a Randy Johnson and a Mark McGwire. If you guys can see that, I'm trying to block the hit card. And then we got a Jeff Bagwell auto, number to 15. It's a decent one. Low number. Hall of Famer. So cool. Could have done worse. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll have more videos coming soon. Peace.